Hi guys, in this video, I will show you how to sell on Crypto.com without fees. So let's get started. If you ever found yourself tired of paying fees and waiting for standard bank transfer times when you're ready to buy crypto right now, then there's some good news. The Crypto.com app now offers instant deposits to users via ACH bank transfer. You see, this new feature allows you to connect your bank account to your Crypto.com app, and it allows you to receive funds immediately to use for crypto purchases. And best of all, guys, when purchasing crypto with instant deposits from your bank, the Crypto.com app doesn't charge any fees. So if you've been looking to buy crypto immediately while at the same time paying zero fees, then this new solution is definitely worth exploring. So you can start having access to instant deposits as well. Instant deposit basically credits your account with the amount you deposited before the funds are actually settled. And this gives you immediate access to your money and allows you to use those funds immediately to purchase the crypto of your choice. Let's go. So to first set up instant deposit on your app, you're just going to follow a few simple steps. Firstly, you're going to click on the account button on your app where it says account on the bottom of the app. You're then going to click on over towards his fiat wallet. Once you go into your fiat wallet, you then just have to click onwards on the transfer on the upper right corner. And once you click on transfer, you want to click on deposit. So once you click on the deposit button, it's still going to ask you to select your currency. Now I'm in the United States, so I would choose the United States dollar, as you could see. But depending on your country, you would choose your country's currency. After this, it's going to ask you to link your bank account. From there, you'll be able to choose a dollar amount. And once you confirm your linked bank account, you will then have access to instant deposits on the Crypto.com app. And that's basically it. Once you link your bank account, you confirm it, and you make your first deposit. Your funds will then be available for instant crypto purchases. And again, when purchasing crypto with instant deposits from your bank, the Crypto.com app doesn't charge any fees. Use the link in the description to sign up to Crypto.com for a free account and potentially get a valuable prize as well.